So here we go. The judges are Molly Luce of Luce Transportation from Hope. Molly stepping right out here. Yay, Molly. And Katie Aho, and she is the 2001 Maine Wild Blueberry Queen. And she is a representative for Leah Safia Jewelry. And last and least, I mean not least, is Jim Justice. He's a member of the Board of Trustees of the Union Fair and a retired EMT. And as these folks come up, I want to share with you a conversation I had with JJ a little while ago while the girls were having their hair done. He was involved in the one-on-one interviews, and Jim's comment was that, my God, this was hard to choose one. They all could be Blueberry Queen, every single one of them. And the comment was, see the other two are nodding their heads, see? We should be proud of our kids, and we also should be glad for the future. Okay, now, a few more announcements. We have Phil Clement over here playing the guitar. Well, he's going to be playing the guitar. He's not playing the guitar, but he's going to. And we have Peter Taylor for photography. And we have our own organizer, Yvonne Drown, who will do some announcements. Take it away, Yvonne. Official t-shirts on, Born to be Wild. And here come the pies, and here come the pie eaters. And if you children would come right over here, come right over this way, right over this way. Stay right in the line, come right over this way. Just come right over this way, take a pie, and come right over this way. And as you come by, you're going to tell us who you are and where you're from. Okay. Now don't be afraid to eat the mic. Hold your applause until we get them all, please.
My name's JT German and I'm from Washington, Maine.
My name's Caleb Savage and I'm from Union, Maine.
I'm Eli Costa and I'm from Camden, Maine.
I'm Lily Stratton and I'm from Rockland, Maine.
I'm Benjamin Hager and I'm from Richmond, Virginia, or New Kent.
I'm Taylor Podreski and I'm from Waldoboro.
Daniel Hager and I'm from Virginia.
Hi, I'm Hunter Fain.
You know where you're from?
No, I don't know where. I'm from Florida.
My name is Russell and I'm from Virginia.
Come on, sweetheart.
My name is Natalie. I'm from Maine. My name is Jordan and I'm from Belmont.
All right, so if you children would all take a place at the bench and put the pies in front of you. Don't start eating, don't start eating, don't start eating. All right. Now, you're going to kneel. I guess you all know the rules. Hands behind your back. We're going to spread you out just a little bit. Now, judges. Give them what, about 3 minutes? 3 minutes. All right, now. Hands behind your back. On your mark. Get set. Get ready. Almost time. Go! Keep it up. Hey, I can't hear you. Hey, I see some of you up there that aren't yelling. Come on, come on. Lady in white, make some noise. All right. messy eaters. When you're ready. Have the judges reached a decision? Has the jury reached a verdict? All right. I want to know who is your third place winner. I warned you now that I was going on backwards. Who's your third place winner? Your third place winner is... All right. And what was the name?
Taylor Podolsky.
All right. And Tammy, here's your third place prize. Cash. All right. Then we have our second place winner. Judges, are you ready to show us the second place winner? All right. Caldy says that... All right. Tell us your name again.
Lily Stratton. Lily Stratton.
All right. And there's your second place cash prize. Cash prize. And finally, last and certainly not least, our champion pie eating contest winner for 2012 is... All right. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have them. Our pie eating contest. Good job, boys and girls. Thank you so much for coming out. And you may go someplace and stand up and take a bow. One big hand for them all. Good sports. All right. Thank you.